I've made over $3 million since I started the whole Make Money Online journey, and I went full-time about 10 years ago. It all started with one ebook that made me over $45,000, and since then I've not looked back, and this has completely changed my life. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cash creation ebook in 5 simple steps using completely free tools. And we're going to get through this as quickly as we can, so let's get stuck in. Step number 1, find a problem to solve, an itch to scratch, a pain to relieve. And we're going to do that by going to YouTube. In the search bar, just type how to and then put A. How to A, see the results that come up. Then continue how to B, how to C, and work your way through the alphabet. When you see something that resonates with you, that either you think you could solve that problem or you think you'd like to solve that problem, then you've achieved step number 1. You've found a problem to solve. Step number 2, you're going to use 3 AIs, ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Gemini. Go to each of those AIs, tell them the problem that you want to solve, and ask them to create you a cheat sheet that solves that problem. But make sure you say to the AIs, you really must solve this problem. So ask it to deep dive into the problem to give you the very best answers for that cheat sheet. Once you've got those cheat sheets, you take all 3 and you dump them back into Gemini. Then say to Gemini, I want you to create me a master cheat sheet based on these 3 cheat sheets, so you get the final product. This is the thing that you're going to be selling. Then once Gemini's finished with that, ask it to give you 10 different ways that you could just scratch a little bit of the itch, just relieve a little bit of the pain and provide just a little bit of a solution to the problem, so that you can then take those 10 ideas and you can start recording videos to upload to YouTube. In each of these videos, you're going to have what's called a call to action. You're going to say, below this video is a link that you can click to get all the information you need to completely solve this problem. That link will take you through to your Gumroad listing. Step number 3, you're going to record and upload simple videos that just solve a little bit of that problem, and you're going to put them on YouTube. This is going to build out a channel for you in the niche that you've chosen, so that you'll get followers who are interested in solving that problem. Step number 4 is to have a link in your description of your video, so that in each video that you upload, you have a call to action. You simply say, while you're recording your video, there's a link below this video that will solve all the problems. Step number 5 is you set up your listing on Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform where you can sell digital products, and they've got their own merchant of record, MOR. That means that they take care of all the processing of the payments, the taxes, and everything. You don't need your own PayPal, you don't need your own Stripe. You get the link from Gumroad, and that's the link that's going to go underneath your video. And that's it. Job done. Now, if you'd like to know how you can create a very reliable, consistent recurring income, then below this video is a link to my free school community, Victorable. Just click on that link, go through to my About page. You can watch the videos there to see what it's all about. Click on the Join group and I'll let you in. Go and do that now, and I'll see you inside the community. All the best.